This is the Renault UN1 transmission or transaxle, gearbox, gasket and seal kit that we offer. The main gasket, the large one, is between the bell housing and the main gearbox casing. The smaller one is for the gear selector housing, the bolts on at the back. The seals, we only have seals for the drive shafts at this time. They slot in the side of the gearbox by the differential. The seals we offer are the same as the Renault ones. A high temperature Viton seal. Excellent quality. This kit will fit Renault Alpine, LOTUS Spray. Many kit cars use this box, especially GT40s. Renault 5 Turbo 2 uses it as well. Any questions, please send us an email.